Guess what we're playing? Wait, that shit was a little bit cold. You can't even lie, that shit was a little bit cold. What's up, guys? Welcome to Heavy Rain, where niggas go through major pain. Wait. Am I cooking? What the fuck? Hey guys, it's Keontae here, and welcome to part 2 of Heavy Rain. Now, I'm not going to take up too much of your time. Now, I know you guys did like the first part, so here you go with the second part. Now, if you like it and enjoy it, make sure you like and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Oh my god. This is our new protagonist? Now this is Madison, our journalist of the story. Her task is to solve the origami killer case. With what you've seen in the intro, yes, Aquatic Dreams always does this, but every single female character has to be extremely sexy. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, Carla was looking good, but Madison, I get on my knees for that. She is very central to the story, and you will see a lot of her, best believe. Now we go back to Ethan a few days later after his son was kidnapped by the origami killer. We got a sleepless night and a nigga got some pipe and a nigga just ain't alright, and he's sad but he wants to be alright, but he wants to cry. He's talking about his son and he wants to die. He was thinking about that shit that make me want to sigh. As Ethan, we open an envelope which contains a poem and a ticket number that points us towards Lexington Station. So as we find out that's our next destination, we head out. But as we head out, we see that there are paparazzi and all types of news vans and everything. And we not trying to deal with that shit. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't trying to deal with that shit. So I just headed out the back and we just hopped in the whip and dipped. I ain't gonna lie. I know you're like, whoa, did I miss something? Why is this nigga breathing so damn hard? Shit, I'm asking the same question as you. So Ethan starts having this major panic attack. And it actually looks bad until... I know you're looking at me for an answer about what the hell is going on, but I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't fucking know.
Dad, where are you?
After we get caught in the genjutsu of hell, we wake up in front of the luggage lockers, the place where we're supposed to go in the first place. So we head in.
Line 18, box number 3.
Now that Ethan has everything that he needs, he go ahead and prepares himself to go on the journey he is going to in order to save Sean at a random ass hotel. The next day, Ethan heads to a parking lot in order to do his first trial, the bear.
Oh, huh. Sorry. Didn't see you. It's the third floor down.
Thanks.
Service elevator is at the far end. Ah, you have yourself a good one, Chief.
Your destination is 4 miles from here. Leave the parking lot and take the first right. You have reached your destination. Are you ready to show your courage in order to save your son? Listen carefully. Take the highway and drive against the traffic for 5 miles. If you haven't reached your destination in 5 minutes, you will have failed.
Wait, pause right here because I want to say something. None of you fathers would do this shit for your son. Prove me wrong in the comments.
5 minutes, you will have failed.
I've got to do it, for Sean's sake. I have no choice.
I speed down the freeway pretty often. Alrighty. Left. Right. Guess what? Left. Yeah, did I pick left? I don't even know which one I picked. I'm not even gonna lie. I can do this. Come on. Left. Oh shit. My bad. I had to lock in. That shit was actually kind of hard. Alright, I think we're approaching the end.
Come on! Move on the goddamn way!
3? Let's go straight. Oh, well, no, I went right. My bad. When I be panicking, I just be pressing buttons.
You still have 1 mile to go before you reach your destination.
Oh, yeah, we got the police on us? Oh, yeah. Let me hit him. Yes, indeed, yes. Damn! What the fuck? No way, I just sold that. Let's see. Oh shit! I think we're safe. Oh shit! A robot? And of course, a negative size. Oh shit! Oh, what the fuck? Did I not hit that? Aw, hell nah, nigga. What the fuck?
Destination reached. Please press the screen. Destination reached. Please press
Okay,
the
obviously I need to unbuckle the seatbelt. Obviously.
Please press the screen. Destination
Okay, I gotta
reached.
press the screen real quick.
Please press your reward is in the glove compartment. The
Alright.
key is inside the GPS. Your reward is in the glove
Can you
compartment.
please turn this shit off?
The key is inside the GPS.
Turn this shit off.
Your reward is in the glove compartment.
Oh. Well, damn, I hope I don't die. Shit. God damn, you got me pressing 4 buttons at once. Okay. What is that? Is that a chip? I guess we gotta get out of here, nigga. I'm gonna die. What the fuck? It made me reset? Why did it make me reset the damn... Okay. Quick time events. Game is bad. Okay. We gotta get out. Buddy. Huh? Oh no. Can't get out that way. We gotta get out this way. Alright. Whew. Damn. But we got it. Holy shit! I was eating. What the fuck? Damn. So a few hours later, we switch to Madison, who checks into a hotel.
Is one of concern as
I
there
heard
is
it.
still no
Good
news
as he
of
is.
10-year-old Sean Mars who disappeared yesterday. A recent report indicates that the police are now treating this as another kidnapping by the origami killer. If this information is confirmed, he may still be
Hello there,
alive as
sweetheart.
the previous victims.
What can I do for you?
I'm crying, yo. That's how y'all niggas be raising these females up, nigga. What the fuck?
Anything?
Investigators trying to find the child.
Feeling the register.
I'm not about to hear this shit not 1 second more. Anyway, he gives us the keys and we go to head to our hotel room. But however, we spot somebody while we're heading there.
Sir? Are you alright? I'll call an ambulance.
No ambulance.
You're badly hurt. You need a doctor.
Please, just help me to my room. It's number 207.
That's Now keep in mind, this is Ethan right after the car crash, so he is badly injured.
You're really in bad shape. You should see a doctor.
Must have one, maybe two broken ribs. It's not fatal. But it's sore as hell.
Your head is bleeding. It looks deep.
And yes, this is the start of Madison and Ethan's, little thing. We get Ethan some medicine, disinfect his cuts, do the whole girl boss thing.
Talk to me. That way I'll know if you pass out.
After all that, we start to talk to Ethan, but for some reason he's so closed off and he just doesn't want to listen to us.
By the way, you never told me your name.
Oh yeah.
Ethan.
Oh, she's very
Be
curious.
careful, Ethan.
Oh, she's very curious.
She want me. She want me. She want me.
We have to head out. We have to save our son. We have to do this for the people, for our families, for our ancestors, for everybody. We need to do this for everybody. Now, I know you haven't seen a lot of Jaden, and that's my mistake. I've kind of skipped a few chapters here and there, but lately Jaden has been just doing straight police work. It hasn't been anything interesting. The only interesting thing he's done is he had to decide whether to shoot somebody to save this guy or not. But you gotta understand, this guy's an asshole. This guy's a complete asshole, so I didn't shoot him, and this is what he's mad about.
Shoot.
I prefer to have all the information before I make a decision. I try to make rational choices when possible.
Come on, you had a fraction of a second to react. You could have whacked me before you had time to move.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were a tough guy, a street cop who's been through the mill. I didn't think you'd scare so easily.
Why don't you fuck off, Norman?
No.
Alrighty, so we wake up as Scott, and today is just a normal day. Until we get a ring at the door.
You said I could contact you if I remembered anything. Can I come in?
Sure.
Remembered something. Maybe it's not important, but a letter arrived in the mail the morning Johnny disappeared.
A letter? What kind of a letter?
It was addressed to Johnny's father. I don't know what was inside it, but he read it and then he left. That's the last time I saw him.
And you think there's a connection between that letter and Johnny's death, is that it? Do you remember anything else about the letter?
Well, I don't know why, but I kept the envelope.
Nothing particular. Except the address.
The address?
It was typed with an old typewriter. Could be a lead, you never know. Well, thanks for your help, Lauren. I'll let you know if it leads to anything.
Wait, I can't just sit around and do nothing while you're out there looking for the man who killed my son. Ever since you came around, I've been thinking, and I want to come with you. Help you in your investigation?
So they're gonna keep talking in circles for a few moments, so I'm just going to skip ahead a few.
How many clues have you got, Mr. Shelby? This envelope. Maybe your only link to the killer. I understand. It was a stupid idea. Sorry for wasting your time, Mr. Shelby.
Wait. You're really something special, Lauren. I'll give you that.
I'm just a mother. A mother who wants to find out who killed her son. Are we partners?
We're partners.
After Lauren and Scott establish themselves as partners, they decide to go to a party in order to find out more about a man that is a person of interest. His name is John Kramer. Or I'm sorry, his last name is Kramer.
Kramer must be loaded. What do you think he paid for all this shiny crap?
We'll discuss Kramer's decor another time.
Are we gonna be here long? This place gives me the creeps.
I'm gonna go find Gordy Kramer. You stay here till I come back. Okay?
After some digging, we figured out a way to see John Kramer.
See that guy over there? Do you know what he said about you?
What'd he say?
Yeah, you was pushing, nigga, you fucking on that shit, you know, you ain't nigga that rookie, nigga, you ain't getting no pussy, nigga, you know that. Yeah, that nigga, yeah, he know he talking fucking shit. I sign up on that nigga, boys, you know he talking about one boy, I'm not gonna lie, I know I'm going crazy in the background, but we really got to get to the task at hand. So anyway, we skip past the guards, and we slip into the room of Gordy Kramer.
Mr. Kramer?
Shh! This is the best part.
My name is Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective. I'm investigating the case of the Origami Killer. I'd like to ask you a few questions.
I'm not gonna lie, with these sluts kissing in the back, yeah, this is already cooked.
Saw little Joseph Brown get into your limousine. That was the last time anybody ever saw him. Now I know you've been arrested and interrogated. till your father made a little phone call and file was closed. Now, what I want to know is what really happened. You know, just so I make sure that you had nothing to do with the Origami Killer. Try and make myself clear.
The kid was lost. I just offered to drive him home. The police arrived, I explained the misunderstanding, and I was released. End of story. Nothing to get excited about, right?
Alright, so after we interrogate this guy about what the fuck he did, because
you don't think I'm gonna fall for that shit, do you, Kramer?
Very well. I'm the Origami Killer. I get my victims into my car. I drown them in rainwater. Then I dump them on a wasteland with an origami figure in one hand and an orchid on their chest. I do that because I'm bored, Mr. Shelby. And it's a creative and entertaining way of having fun. Is that good enough for you? Or do you want more?
I ain't gonna lie, I might have to punch this nigga.
This interview is over.
I ain't gonna lie.
Get rid of this clown!
It's a dangerous game you're playing, Kramer.
Do you know who my father is? He only has to lift one finger and you won't wake up tomorrow morning. You're the one that should be afraid, Mr. Shelby, not me.
Pick up your dead home. Now we get to Ethan starting his second trial, the butterfly. You know, rain and electricity don't mix well. Okay. Wow, it's literally a trial. Crazy.
Glass. Broken glass. Sharp as a razor. Impossible to go back. I'm gonna have to crawl through it, slowly, so I don't tear up my arms.
God damn, I can feel this shit through the screen. Damn.
The match flame. It indicates where the fresh air comes from. All I have to do is follow the wind.
Sorry, I'm gonna skip through this because it's very simple. But all you have to do is just follow where the flames go. Left, right, whatever, where the flames go. The glass, it kind of does something, but it doesn't really do anything. So you can kind of like move fast and move slow at the same time. Once you get to this state, you have to move like incredibly slow. Alright, while Ethan is struggling, I'll just go ahead and explain a few things. So first, I don't know if you guys know this, and I'm sorry if I put this like too much into the video, but I'm going to explain virtually pretty much everything that's happening. So yes, Sean got kidnapped by the origami killer, and the origami killer sent that box to Ethan in order to do the trials. Now, these trials are just a set of challenges that basically make you risk your life in order to save your son, which is obviously what the origami killer is going for. But I'll tell you this, the next part of this trial is crazy. Okay, this is it. Oh, shit. Obviously, it's a long process to go from one wall to another. But anyway, after we clear this maze, we get another chip. Alrighty, and that's the end of the video. I hope you guys like, comment, and share. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if you guys like it. I did put a lot of effort into this, so make sure you guys show your support. Part 3 will be out in it. I can't even promise a time, but it will be out soon. Without further ado, Jana.